Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, many of us are asked to post the answers for the embedded system design NPTEL course. So in this video, I am going to share the answers for the week 1 assignment of the NPTEL course. Last year, I done a NPTEL course of embedded system design with ARM microcontroller. That course was very interesting because they teach you in theoretical manner as well as practical manner. But this time, this course is a fully theoretical manner. The lecture materials are also not available. So, gathering the answer is a little bit harder for me this time. So, I can't able to put answers for the upcoming weeks assignments because I don't know how many of you are doing this course and how many of people are want this course really answers really. So, I will post the answers for upcoming weeks if only the views and subscribers count increase by this video, then only I will know how many of you interested are registered and enrolled this course.